How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine too. Okay. Who absent today?
No answer.
Wow. Oh, Pan, you didn't attend the last meeting. Can you explain that?
I was sick, sir.
Are you feeling better today?
Yes, I'm feeling better today.
Wow. So guys, when you are given well. Okay. Before we start our lesson today, maybe someone can lead the prayer.
Me, sir.
Okay, Okan?
Okay, guys, before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Pray, start. Finish.
Okay, class. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Do you know what are going to discuss today?
No, sir.
So today, we will learn about social arithmetic. I hope after that lesson, you will be able to recognize phenomena or activities related to social arithmetic, such as cross price, selling price, discounting, loss, and profit. For example, when you buy chocolate in a shop for 10,000 rupiah, you will get 10% discount. What does that mean?
Me, sir.
Okay.
I mean I got a discount of 1,000 rupiah.
Okay.
Okay, and then means I only need to pay 9,000 rupiah.
Okay. Okay. What is the correct? So let's discuss social arithmetic.
Okay, class, before we begin, has anyone ever heard the term social arithmetic? Maybe from your older siblings or from another class?
No, miss.
Okay, let me explain. Social arithmetic is a part of mathematics that deals with calculation we often find in everyday life, especially those related to buying, selling, and money. Today we are going to learn three important topics in social arithmetic. There are profit, loss, and discount. Let's start the basic idea. When we buy and sell things, there are two important price to remember. There are cost price and selling price. For example, you buy a cookies for 2,000 rupiah. That 2,000 rupiah is a cost price. And then you sell your cookies to your friend for 3,000 rupiah. So 3,000 rupiah is a selling price. So we have cost price is the price we pay to buy something, and selling price is the price we sell something. Okay, next we talk about profit. Profit is the amount of money gained when the selling price is higher than the cost price. To find the profit, we can use this formula. The formula is profit equals selling price minus cost price. For example, Dina went to a stationery store and bought a notebook for 10,000 rupiah. A few days later, she decided to sell the notebook to her friend for 13,000 rupiah. So, how much profit did Dina make to the sale of the notebook? In this case, we have cost price is 10,000 rupiah. And selling price is 13,000 rupiah. So to find the profit, we can use formula profit equals selling price is 13,000 minus cost price is 10,000. So 13,000 minus 10,000 equals 3,000. So in this case, Dina have 3,000 rupiah. So how do we find the profit percentage? To find the profit percentage, we can use this formula. The formula is profit percent equals profit divided by cost price times 100%. In this case, we have profit is 3,000 rupiah. So, using the formula, we have profit percent equals, the profit is 3,000 rupiah divided by the cost price is 10,000 rupiah. So times 100%. So we have profit percent is 3,000 divided by 10,000 times 100% is 30%. So in this case, Dina have 30% profit on the notebook. Okay, next we talk about loss. Loss is the condition when the selling price is lower than the cost price. To find the loss, we can use this formula. The formula is loss equals cost price minus selling price. For example, Adi buys a pen for 8,000 rupiah. He wants to sell it, but he can only sell it for 5,000 rupiah because the pen is a little broken. So, how much money does Adi lose? To find the loss, we can use loss formula. The formula is loss equals cost price minus selling price. In this case, we have cost price is 8,000 rupiah and selling price is 5,000 rupiah. So to find loss, we have loss equals cost price is 8,000 rupiah minus selling price is 5,000 rupiah. So 8,000 rupiah minus 5,000 rupiah equals 3,000 rupiah. So Adi lose 3,000 rupiah. So how do we find the loss percentage? To find the loss percentage, we can use this formula. The formula is loss percent equals loss divided by cost price times 100%. So, with the same case, we have loss is 3,000 rupiah. So, plus percent equals plus is 3,000 rupiah divided by 8,000 rupiah times 100%. So 3,000 divided by 8,000 rupiah times 100% equals 37.5%.
Okay, so in this problem, Adi lose 37.5%. Okay, now let's talk about this one. Okay, guys, do you like shopping?
Yes.
Maybe have you ever seen a lot of discount at a supermarket like this?
Of course.
What do you think about the discount label?
Maybe like the reduction price.
Okay, great, Maghfiroh. Okay. Okay, so discount is a price reduction from a merchant to buyer. The formula of discount is equal to original price multiplied by discount percentage. Okay, next, there are some examples. Okay, number 1. Miss Yani will buy 5 shirts and 5 pants at a price of 75,000 rupiah per shirt and 60,000 rupiah per pant. If the store gives Miss Yani a 20% discount, how much should Miss Yani pay? Okay. Okay, from the problem we know Miss Yani buy 5 shirts and 5 pants. And then we must calculate each other the total price of 5 shirts and the total price of 5 pants. Okay, first the total price of 5 shirts equal to 5 divided by 75,000 rupiah is equal to 3,075,000 rupiah. And then 5 pence, the total price of 5 pence is equal to 5 multiplied by 60,000 rupiah is equal to 3,000 rupiah. And then the total price before discount is equal to 3,075,000 rupiah plus 3,000 rupiah is equal to 6,075,000 rupiah. And then the store gives 20% discount. Okay, discount is equal to discount percentage multiplied by original price is equal to 20% multiplied by 6,075,000 rupiah is equal to 135,000 rupiah. And then the final price is equal to 675,000 rupiah minus 135,000 rupiah is equal to 5,040,000 rupiah. So, Miss Yani should pay 540,000 rupiah. And example number 2, Susie wants to buy a bag at the mall. The bag is paying discount at 30% plus 20%. if the price of the bag is 250,000 rupiah, then how much is the price of the bag after the discount? Okay. From the problem, we know the original price of bag is 250,000 rupiah, and the discount is 30% plus 20%. Okay. First, we must calculate the 30% discount of 250,000 rupiah. Multiplied by 20 and 250,000 rupiah is equal to 75,000 rupiah. New price. New price is 250,000 rupiah minus 75,000 rupiah is equal to 175,000 rupiah. And then we must calculate the 20% of 175,000 rupiah. 20% multiplied by 175,000 rupiah is equal to 35,000 rupiah. And then the total, the final price is equal to 175,000 rupiah minus 35,000 rupiah is equal to 140,000 rupiah. So Susi paid 140,000 rupiah for the bag.
Okay everyone, before we finish our lesson today, let's review a little bit about what we have learned. Today we learned about social arithmetic. It includes like cost price, selling price, profit, loss, and discount. Let me ask you some quick questions to check your understanding. Question 1. If you buy a pen for 5,000 rupiah and sell it for 6,000 rupiah, what do we call it?
Profit means
Yes, that's called a profit. And question 2. And how do we calculate the amount of profit? Correct. Profit is equal selling price minus cost price. And question number 3. If selling price is lower than cost price, what happens? Loss means exactly, that's a loss. And we calculate with loss equals to cost price minus selling price. Very good, you're really understanding the material. Now, I want to hear for you guys, how do we feel about today's lesson? It's easy to understand or it's something still unclear?
easy means
Great! I'm really happy to see your enthusiasm today. Learning math can actually very useful in real life, especially when it comes to manage money, shopping, selling, or even running a small business. So, please try to apply what we learned today in your everyday life. For example, when you see a discount sign in a store, try to calculate how much you really pay after the discount. So, for our next meeting, we are going to continue with social arithmetic, but we will go deeper. We will learn about tax, commission, and interest. So, I want you to prepare by reading a bit about this topic for your math book, or maybe ask your parents what does things mean. That will really help you understand better in next class. Alright, before we end, let's make sure everything is clear. Any last question before we finish?
No, miss.
Okay, if there are no more questions, let's end our meet today. Our class today. Thank you for your attention and participation. I'm very proud of you guys. You have done a great job today. Let's close our class by praying together. Praying begin. Okay, finish. That's all for today. See you on the next